Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. So we got our new chimney installed for the Heatmaster C130 or 150, sorry. Thought I'd show you guys what it looks like. Still need to get a cap for it, but so far it's looking good. We had to get it up above the woodshed, so then when the smoke is going from the wind, that it doesn't go right over into the woodshed and start on fire or anything, because that would be horrible. I definitely don't want to start on fire. So that is the new chimney on the Heatmaster C150.